I'm here at Charleston Wine & Foods Test Kitchen and Event Space, and I'm joined by the one and only Maneet Chauhan of the Chauhan El and Masala House.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Yes, it's great to have you. So tell me, what are we making today?
We are going to be making crab cakes. I mean, we're in Charleston, so come on. But we will be doing Indian-inspired crab cakes, which will have some curry powder, it'll have some coconut, some cilantro. That we will serve along with a chutney, which is almost like a salsa. So it's going to be a cooked tomato chutney with spices in it, and there'll be a mango slaw. First thing what we are going to do is we're going to start with the tomato chutney, because the chutney will take a little bit of time to cook. So we'll just get that started and let it simmer in the corner while we make the crab cakes. So we've got some tomatoes right over here. Now traditionally I make a 5-spice chutney. So this right over here is a 5-spice blend. We're going to put a little bit of red chili, give it some heat. There's going to be some distilled white vinegar, some tartness, and some brown sugar. So it's just, it's a savory, sweet, spicy, tart bite that you're going to get. We're going to start with a little bit of olive oil right over here. The spices have to be very, very happy over here. So we're going to take a little bit of the 5-spice blend. Can you hear it?
Oh no, that sounds good. That's good.
They're singing. Now we have to wait for it to dance.
Okay.
Okay, and we can
so
dance.
First the singing, then they
Yes.
dance. Okay.
Because what is happening is that the spices are going to release their oils, their true flavors, once heat is applied to these spices. It's not a waltz, it's a hip hop, as you can see.
They're dancing out of the
Absolutely.
pot. Okay.
Can you smell the spices? All of the spices. Now we'll go ahead and add the tomatoes to it. Now I'll go ahead and add some vinegar. This is white distilled vinegar. A little bit of sugar. Do you like spicy?
Yes.
Okay. You said it.
Right.
And then we go ahead and add some salt. It's as simple as this. So we can go ahead and let this cook. It'll slowly simmer and we'll be good to go. So this is mango which I have peeled and just cut into juliennes or long strips. Going to go ahead and put some lime juice. Going to put a little bit of cilantro. I mean, just look at the colors.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I have some peppers right over here. Going to put some sugar. We'll go ahead and do some salt. And I'm going to add some curry leaves. Now curry leaves, you do find it at Indian stores, but if you do not find curry leaves, it's okay to skip it. And then I am going to go ahead and add some ginger. Okay, so ginger, and then I'm going to put some jalapeno. And look at how beautiful this looks.
Yeah, the colors.
Right?
The
It's
burst of
just
colors.
vibrant and colorful. So we have the slot, and now the crab cake. Okay, so for the crab cake, I usually like to use a combination of lump and claw. I'm going to add a little bit of coconut. I'm going to put a little bit of panko, which is breadcrumbs. Some egg. The egg acts as a binder. Then I will use a little bit of ginger garlic paste. So all this is fresh ginger and garlic blended with a little bit of water. I am going to go ahead and chop up some cilantro. Cilantro is one of my favorite herbs.
Mine too.
Beautiful. Now I'm going to add some curry powder. And as you can see, I'm generous with it. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some lime juice and some salt.
Now tell me, what are you most excited about when it comes to the Charleston Wine and Food Festival? What are you really looking forward to?
You know, to me, every time I come here, it's the people which really draw me to Charleston. You see the best of the best at the Wine and Food Festival. They are people who are enjoying different foods. And I'm not only talking about the people who visit, but it's also the chefs, you know, the sommeliers. It's just a combination. It's a very energetic and a festival which is very good for your soul. So I always leave rejuvenated that this is it. Like now I am pumped for the year that comes, and such amazing ideas and such amazing foods. Good. Okay, we're going to put some oil over here to sear the crab cakes. And then I'm going to mix everything together. Now what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and form it. This, to me, is a perfect size.
How long should they let it stay on one side before flipping it over?
I would say around 3 minutes on both sides, and then you can finish it in the oven because there is raw egg in it. So 350 degrees for around 5 to 7 minutes and you're good to go. So we go ahead and we take the slaw. The slaw can go at the bottom of the plate. We'll take the crab cake. Very gently. Then I will put a little bit of the tomato chutney on top of it. And then maybe just put some cilantro and you're good to go. Voila!